So the is weather. It is cold and it is wet, and I'm very bored. And it's putting me in the mood to make this dish I like to make, a pasta dish. It's a very simple dish. I've made it for some of my friends, and it usually hits pretty well, because it's kind of hard to mess up. It's very simple, and that's really what I'm in the mood to make right now. And so I want to make it for you. And if you try to make it at home, maybe you can share it with your friends. Let me know how it goes. It's very simple and it's very comforting. So that's kind of my mood right now. So here are the ingredients. Super simple. Marine it with some angel hair, some parsley, garlic, lemon, parmesan, some plant-based sausage and plant-based butter, and some Sauvignon Blanc. First thing we're gonna do is get our water boiling for our angel hair. We're gonna do a few other things while it heats up, but we just want to get this going first. Feel me? This pot loves to dance. It's a really good time. Nothing too complicated here. We're just gonna brown up this plant-based sausage for a hot minute. Don't forget to season it with some salt and pepper. Always, always, always never forget, salt your pasta water. Super important, very, very crucial instructions here. You must obey. We don't want to overcook these luscious lox. We want to literally flash them for maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes, take them out so they don't turn to mush, and we're going to run them under some cold water so they stop cooking. Okay, let's get this sauce right. So you want to have your pan on very low heat. You don't want anything to burn. You're going to put in a little bit of your plant-based butter and the zest of 2 lemons. That's garlic. You can put a little bit less if you want. It's a free world. You're gonna also want to squeeze the juice of 1 of your lemons in here, maybe 1.5. Put a little bit more of your butter, and also conserve a little bit of your pasta water and transfer that over. Let's go, put some wine in there. here's where things get nasty. We're gonna put a lot of cheese in here. I'll let you know when to stop. Please always remember to taste your food as you go, as you're making it. You never know if you might be missing something, maybe you need a little bit extra of something. I promise if you do this, your food will taste twice as good. Alright, we're gonna put the pasta right back in the sauce. It's ready for it. So we're just gonna give it a bath and we'll be done.